Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to change the language on ClickUp so your workspace menus, buttons, and labels all display in the language you prefer. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe. It really does help the channel. And let's get straight into it. Start by logging into your ClickUp account as you normally would. Once you're inside your workspace, look for your profile avatar in the bottom left corner of the screen, that small circular icon showing your initials or photo. Click on it to open your account menu. From the menu that appears, select My Settings. This takes you into your personal account preferences, which are separate from your workspace settings. So any changes you make here apply only to your own account, not to the rest of your team. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down through the options. The language setting isn't always at the very top, so take a moment to scan through until you locate the language or regional preferences section. It's usually clearly labeled and easy to spot once you know what you're looking for. When you find it, click the language drop-down menu. This opens a full list of all the languages ClickUp currently supports. Take a moment to browse through the options, there are quite a few, and then select the one you'd like to use. Depending on your version of ClickUp, you may see a save button at the bottom or top of the page. If you do, make sure to click it before moving on, otherwise your selection won't be applied. Next, refresh your browser page. A simple Ctrl-R on Windows or Command-R on a Mac will do the trick. After the page reloads, check the menus, sidebar labels, and buttons. They should now display in your chosen language. If the interface hasn't updated just yet, don't worry. Sign out of ClickUp completely and then sign back in. That's usually all it takes to fully apply the language change. Once you're logged back in, everything should look exactly as expected, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language on ClickUp, and your entire interface will now reflect your preference. It's a quick adjustment to make, and it really does make the platform feel more natural to work in day to day. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.